SUNEX Tools SX1819T heavy-duty rivet gun. Results that actually stick? Picture this. You're in the middle of a truck bed repair. Your arms are screaming from a cheap hand riveter that strips every third quarter-inch rivet, and a deadline is looming. That was me last Saturday. 2 hours in, sweat freezing on my forehead. Know that stuck feeling? Type same in the comments if big rivets are ruining your builds. What's your worst rivet fail? Tell me below. You know it. That gritty ache deep in your forearms. The snap of a mandrel halfway through the pull. Jobs piling up while you fight with junk tools. It's exhausting, right? But what if you could grab control back with just one air hose? No extra chaos, no endless tool swapping. Imagine cleaner sets and faster finishes. Keep watching. I'll show you how in 30 seconds. Stay with me. That's when I stumbled on the SUNEX Tools SX1819T heavy-duty rivet gun. It was my accidental breakthrough for crushing 3/16 and quarter-inch rivet beasts. One night, at 2 a.m., a fabrication client was about to fire me over a stalled trailer frame job. I popped this gun onto my compressor, and suddenly, everything clicked. 3,690 pounds of traction power yanked structural steel rivets, clean in one pull. No half sets. My arms finally got a break with the forged aluminum handle's light grip. You feel balanced, not beaten. The nose pieces swap in seconds, stored right at the base of the tool, so there's zero fumbling mid-job. That alone saves hours on big body panel work. The quick-release valve clears any jam instantly, keeping the flow smooth, even when you're buried deep in HVAC ductwork. And the blow-molded case hauls it all tidy to the truck. No more loose bits rattling around. Monobolt rivets pull and lock tight without warping the material, with that satisfying crack sound signaling a professional joint every single time. In under 10 minutes, I finished what used to take me hours. The client was thrilled, and I got my sleep back. The emotional win? Pure confidence on tough steel. No more dread. And the benefits just cascade from there. Endless quarter-inch stainless rivets set without fatigue. Chassis work flies by. Brackets bite down like vices. A fabrication YouTuber, Metal Fab Pro, called it the workhorse that snaps monobolts like butter where other guns stall. On Amazon, it aggregates 12,000 plus reviews at 4.9 stars. A trailer manufacturing shop foreman swears by it. We set 8 to 10,000 quarter-inch steel rivets per month with these guns, and we've had zero repairs since 2020. My personal take? On a 50-rivet off-road roll cage build, it outlasted my old gun twice over, with no power drop. Now, you might have an objection. It needs shop air, right? Sure, but it's dead simple if you've got a compressor. It's far calmer than hand cramping all day, and professionals prove it can take daily abuse. Concerned about weight? The lighter forged handle beats bulkier rivals, especially when you're working overhead. This is exactly why thousands of folks won't shut up about it right now in mechanic forums. Your results may vary based on your air setup, but the proof is undeniable. So what's your go-to rivet hack? Share it below. The deepest perk is simple: zero more arm-wrecking fights. This tool turns grind into glide, getting jobs done right on the first shot. You can join the thousands of shop pros and fabricators who are stacking real wins with the SUNEX Tools SX1819T heavy-duty rivet gun. I've dropped my affiliate link in the description. Just click it and try it for yourself. No pressure. If it's for you, that's awesome. If not, no big deal. Catch you on the next build, friend.